Hey Nicole, thank you very much for clicking the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about. I see that you guys restored your domain, and I wanted to talk about those three things that I found on your website that you can fix really easily, so you can start beating your competition online. In this case, Miramar Kitchen and Bath, and Lars Remodel and Design. As you see, when you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, these guys pop up the very first top of the results on Google, okay? And by fixing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about, you'll be able to get there in no time and beating them. You may wonder why I make this video for you, and it's because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and their customers, so it's hard for them to learn how to use the internet to bring them more business because they really don't have the time. Also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not. So I like to give back to the community and to small businesses a little bit and make these educational videos for business owners and send it to them for free so they can get all this information. And a lot of them, what they do is just take the information and put it in action themselves. But some of them, they call me and have me doing it for them or helping them. The other option is okay with me. I just do this because it's my passion and I love to give back. But if you like the video and you want me to help you, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to do so. That said, let's jump in the video. I want to tell you about the three main things that the Google search engine uses to rank a website to the very top. This is content, backlinks, and citations. Content, as you can probably imagine, is everything that is on your front page. Okay, all the text, all the pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and what is behind those pictures. As you see, when I paste it here on the word counter, I see that you have about 200 words, all right? Usually Google likes to see about 2,000 words on the websites that they rank at the very top, okay? They want to see a lot of keyword-rich content in order for them to be able to find you when somebody look for a service. So you see the competitor, for example, Lars Remodel, they have about 1,500 words, all right? And Miramar Kitchen and Bath as well, as you see, a lot of pictures, a lot of content. So you need to implement about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. And a keyword is basically this, all right? A word or a phrase that is what the people are looking up on Google regarding the services that you provide. So you look for San Diego Kitchen Remodel, cabinets in San Diego, cabinet store in San Diego, cabinet maker, whatever are the terms that people are looking up the most, and you drop them on that content several times. So Google is able to find your website and show it to them on the very top when they look it up. Second thing, backlinks. A backlink is basically another website that puts a link that when you click in it, it takes you back over here. So this works kind of like a popularity contest, okay? Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you. That means that you can get a backlink for any website. But it's not the same, for example, if you get a backlink for a website that talks about fashion or about, let's say, food, okay, that if you get a backlink for another manufacturer of vanities, another remodeling company, or construction company. Google always wants to see the websites on your same niche and companies on your same niche or very similar, giving you those backlinks. That's what's giving you the real power and trust on Google sites to rank over here. Okay. So that said, this is how we check the backlinks. We use a tool called Ahrefs. And when I put your website here, it's telling me that you have 3 referring domains. This means that there is 3 websites out there. That somewhere on the website, there is a link that takes you back over here. As you see, Lars Remodel has 74 referring domains, and Miramar Kitchen and Bath, they have 38. How can you beat them? Just copy them. If they're good for you, if they're good for them, they're good for you. So you just go through every single one of these websites and through every single one of these ones here, and you just make a profile and you drop a link to your website on that profile. Okay. Then once you match them, you build some more on top of that. So you make sure that you're not just matching, you're beating them. And with that and the content, you'll be securing this first spot in no time. Also, the last thing I want to tell you about is citations. That is what gets you on the Google map at the very top. And as you probably can imagine already, all you need to do is build more citations than your competitor. So a citation is basically your business information listed in several directories all throughout the web. And all you need to do is check how many citations they have, and I would build at least 100 more. Directories are things like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Yelp, etc. Okay, it's thousands out there. And as I said, I would build at least 100 more. That way you make really hard for them to ever catch up with you. And let's make a little recap. Okay, that's pretty much it. It's 2,000 words of keyword-rich content on your front page. Then build a healthy, strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition and adding some more on top at the end. And then building more citations than your main competitor, at least 100 more. All with that, you'll be securing these first 2 spots pretty quick and getting all the business that comes with it. If you're interested in doing this, I would recommend you to start as soon as possible, since implementing all this stuff takes a little bit of time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like what I just showed you and you want me to help you get in there or doing it for you, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll be more than happy to help. If not, please take all this information and put it in action yourself so you can get started growing your business. Thank you for watching, and if you can give me a little bit of feedback, it'll be much appreciated. I'll do these things for free, and the feedback means a lot to me. Thank you.